Hello friends, let me show you this portable pets ramp that I received for reviewing purposes. Okay, it's foldable so you can put it away when you don't need it. And you can see it has this gray carpet, and you open these ones. This way you can bring it with you wherever you go. And you use it like this, okay? And you can adjust the height from less to more height, okay? Taller, okay? You can change it like this, okay? Or taller, okay? Let's try it with my pets. So we are going to put it here. As you can see, it's the exact height of my sofa. And they can use it as a stair.